Hey guys, thanks for watching. And you know who this is. So for today I have here the Western Digital My Passport Ultra 2TB version hard drive. And this one is the newer model, the 2015 model of the hard drive. This is having a 3 years brand warranty, and as this is the My Passport Ultra version, this comes with the backup software, and we have here the black color hard drive. So let's unbox. You see the item is well packed. This has a matte finish over it. A USB 3.0 data cable. Around 1.5 feet. Manuals. As I already told you, this is the newer version 2015 model of the hard drive. We do have the previous version here. The difference is of the front textures. The back is even the same. And the working mechanism is also same. One more thing, this version does not have a pouch with it, which was previously with the older version. So this was it for the unboxing of this device, Western Digital My Passport Ultra 2TB. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.